Hello YouTube, and today I will be showing you how to turn a simple cap into a curl cap, as they call it. I saw this on eBay for about $20, and I'm not paying $20 for a hat, so I decided to make my own. So here we go. What you will need for this project is a hat, a pair of good fabric cutting scissors, this fray stay that I got from Walmart, chalk, which is optional. So you want to identify the two panels in the back of the hat, which is where we'll start cutting. Here I just created more of a length so that it will be easier for me to cut. I didn't want it to be too tight and then I make a mistake. Now I'm going to use the chalk to outline where I want to cut. This is optional, but because I like to make sure that it is straight and that I don't make any mistakes while cutting, because once you cut it, that's it, I decided to use chalk. After the circle has been created, you can see how it looks. Now I'm going to start cutting. Inside the hat it has a brim, so I wanted to be conscientious of that because I don't want to cut too deep into the brim. You can, it won't make that much of a difference, but I just wanted to be, more courteous of it, I guess. So I'm just following the line that I created. This is basically what it will look like after you're finished cutting it. I wanted to make it look a little cleaner, so I decided to cut the straight strings, continuing in that circle that I originally drew. Now I'm going to use frayed check that I got for Walmart for about $3 or so. This helps keep all those strands in place while I'm wearing it. You don't want to wash the hat for about 24 hours after applying it. This is also optional, but if you do mind the strands, I would recommend it. So I'm just outlining the edge of it using the liquid, and then I let it dry. So here is the final product. Very easy, very quick tutorial. I actually made a lot more, and I will continue making more because I really do love hats, but I have a lot of hair, so wearing hats is not really working for me. These curl caps are a great solution for if you want to wear your ponytail or you just got really thick hair. And like I said, I only paid about $4 for my hats. And if you have old hats that you can't wear anymore, you can use that. Any hat really will do. So I am very happy of how it turned out. I actually wore mine to a cookout and it lasted all day, fit well. I had no problems. The one con that I did want to point out is that if you have a Velcro hat, it will probably snag onto your hair. So just try to be conscious of that when wearing it. But other than that, I love this hat. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and I hope to see you next time.